Remitly send limit. How much money can you send using Remitly? Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll explain you and guide you on how much you can send using Remitly and the limits on Remitly app. Now if I open up the Remitly app here, if you open up the app as well, and if you simply log into your account, as you can see here, I'm logged into my account here. Now if you head into my Remitly option at the bottom of your screen, at the bottom right corner, and here if you tap on increase limits, you'll be able to see the limits here of Remitly. Now generally you will be able to send $2,999 per day within 24 hours of registering with Remitly. This can be increased to 6,000 or 10,000 dollars per day depending on how much additional information you are willing to provide, including details about your use of Remitly, your full social security number, government issued ID, and details about the source of your funds. For example, the amount you can send with a month is capped at $30,000. Some providers don't place a limit on the amount. Now here you can see on tier 3, if you upgrade to tier 3, you'll be able to send $60,000 within 180 days and $30,000 within a month and $10,000 within 24 hours. And on tier 2 and tier 1 you can see specifically here. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.